Dear traders, hello. I wish you all a great Sunday and hope you have a wonderful rest. I have a question for you. Do you have any kind of assistant, advisor, or indicator? Maybe you use something on the platform, maybe some kind of pattern. If not, I strongly recommend that you get one as soon as possible because trading without it is very difficult. Let me give you an example now. For example, you analyze the charts yourself and trade on a pullback from a level. As you know, the chart always moves from one level to another. From the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom, for example. And that's how it moves. But in order to see if the movement will go down or up, you can double check yourself to see if it will really happen or not. Now the chart is reaching a level. Will there be a pullback or will it break through? For example, I think there will be a pullback. And I ask my advisor or my indicator whether I should enter a short position or not. Here, I'm showing you my bot right now. Install it for yourself. It's freely available. It's free. I'm not selling it. It's for our team. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, currency pair. So I would open a short position here, expecting a pullback from the level. But to be sure, I need to look at the indicators. I have two indicators here. One shows that there will be a downward movement. Here it is, the future movement of the chart. And the second one, in percentage terms, shows that it will go up. So I won't enter a short position, meaning right now my advisor might tell me the board has suggested that it's not worth going short. I'll add this currency pair to my favorites. Ideally, I should have entered here, but a correction started. Right now, the price has dropped, but I'm sure it will rise soon. Dear team, hello. I wish everyone a great Sunday and hope you all have a wonderful rest. I'd like to ask you something. Do you have any confirming factors for your trades? For example, if you want to open a trade upwards here and make $72 from it. Will the price move up? Will it move down? How do you confirm it? What do people use for confirmation? Some use indicators, some use patterns, but if you use these, that's great, and I recommend you do so. Because if you don't have any confirming factor, that's very bad. Our perception, we can make mistakes. Look, they're already closing the currency pair. It's already 11:30 p.m. Moscow time. The main thing is for me to manage to open a trade right now. What am I doing? I choose a currency pair, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I request this currency pair from the bot. And I look at the pictures in the bot. I check the signal, I look at the levels. You could say, I just look at where the chart is likely to go in simple terms. If I didn't have the bot and was trading on my own, I would be making mistakes. Let me give you an example. For example, here I want to open a trade upwards. I ask the bot if it's worth opening an upward trade. Yes, it tells me that it's worth it. I open the trade. 2 heads are better than 1. It's an extra safety measure. How do I analyze? How do I trade? I mark 2 levels. If you can't mark levels yet, or you don't want to make mistakes, you can check the levels in the bot. Here is the level. I mark the lower one, here's the level, and I mark the upper one. The chart is between these 2 levels, between the lower and the upper. So it turns out that the chart will go either to the upper level or to the lower level. It will go either up or down. By what criteria do I determine, for example, that it will go up? The future movement of the chart shows growth. I pay attention to this. It's the first signal that the chart will move toward the upper level. This indicator, in percentage terms, also shows where the chart will go. The same thing, upwards. And I understand that there is an upward movement, a correction to the level. I expect an upward movement. That is, even if you can't analyze on your own, you can request a currency pair from the bot. When you request it, you can see where the bot indicates the movement. It shows upward. And then you think for yourself. So, well, if I enter with the trend after the correction, in theory, that's logical, reasonable, logical. You can enter upward. And you enter, just like I do. I looked at these indicators and entered. There is 1 minute and 30 seconds left until the end of the trade, $72. We will earn if everything goes as we need it to. Be sure to pay attention to this tab. There have been a lot of news about the dollar, a lot, and now there may be disruptions. What does this mean? For example, there should be an upward movement according to all indicators, but there might be a slight correction, and only after 5 minutes will the movement upward begin. These corrections are due to the news coming out, so be careful. I do live broadcasts, and during these live broadcasts, check the notifications in our Telegram channel during the live broadcasts. Be sure the link will be in the description or in the profile header. I explain how to handle such situations. But the main thing is you can use my bot, it's free. The main point is that confirmation is absolutely necessary. Because, for example, I'm trading, it's already my 10th trade, my head is tired, my attention is scattered, and I might miss many factors, and the bot can suggest to me whether I should go up or down. And when I analyze with the bot, I get less tired. Now let's take a look. 27 seconds left. There's a good upward movement. Let's keep following the bot. Also take into account whether the news affects your background. There are many of these on the bot. Additional assistant tools include volumes, levels, future price movement, horizontal and vertical volumes. See if they work for you. I use a simple trading strategy like this. 2 levels, and I watch which level the chart will move towards. We earn $72 here, carefully, without rushing, very accessibly. But the main thing is that I do this with an assistant. I can make a mistake myself, but for both me and the bot to make a mistake, the market really has to try. So when we have some kind of advisor, assistant, or hints, it minimizes our mistakes. It's extremely hard to make a mistake. That's how it is, keep that in mind. So get yourself an assistant, and if you already have one, see how it works for you, whether it's good or not, whether it helps or not. This video was just a small reminder that trading on your own, just using your brain or some level, is pretty tough. You definitely need an assistant, and you definitely need confirmation. Wishing everyone profits, good luck, and a great rest. It's Sunday, and I'll be with you tomorrow, Monday. In the morning, we start live streams from Monday to Friday. Grab the bot, subscribe to the Telegram channel. There I notify you about live streams, and here I publish educational content for you. That's all, guys. Hugs to everyone. Goodbye.